It's Venrap, Rea'Nay Show, Bana Zero Afara, na hela out ya Chiramba.
Vatu banindo wabona bayakupa Mungi yabo wote batu chantera Onenga bafara bados badera Garu pano ninsana Pano ninsana Nine kosikuru Nani niruwe Hallelujah Pano ninsana Pano ninsana
The game they dared, put them in a place they scared. Passing with the goodness they shared. I can never be compared. Niggas better come prepared. Switching on the heat, goddamn. Royal blood in this industry. Drop it down respectfully. Killing niggas in the game. What a shame, Rea'Nay. I got the name with some flame. Bitches be sounding the same. Shooting bullets with no aim. I on the spot, I don't claim. I'm a go-getter, yeah, no better. Ain't got no pressure, keep on getting greater. Ayy, look. See a wise girl got them limits, but a smart girl ain't got none. And the respect from my bars, put the rules, yeah, I want the stars. Queening, killing, winning, sipping, chilling, in it, with it, kill it.
Vatu banindo wabona bayakupa Mungi yabo wote batu chantera Onenga bafara bados badera Garu pano ninsana Pano ninsana Nine kosikuru
Yeah. Don't go penye. Yeah, go donate za foot king mbega yamshumi ya Venrap late night show. Nasema mangara. None mandi tome ngoni tanganeza note. Infani no tanganezea. Infani no shika hone bukudoni akaisho. Okay, cool. So ndiko liwa tukotenga ko share ndiko ziwona zi watch party ziko tumiwa comment na mse app you decide or ido zivisa so kari number ko tumo share so namsi since don't promise ko do rina ya Rea'Nay tiene uri basile abako danga lo studio Louisa Matera mabili mrao mara ona tezo receive so comment zawe namsi zote zizazi kuvaka screen yako Jamboro mbudziso zote zene na dwaniko zilibisa tree Rea'Nay ni zidozi kuvaho neno doba konipendwa ngoraro rikolibu wa comment zono tomoshika comment zono tomoshika ke leo toma iko vaka guru gusta ndi bana baguru aba baringisa su uyango pambanana ningaba kwa mara ndoziyongo pambanana kola gusta uri rono shika Rea'Nay aboko dengo comment ke la iko vaka kiliboni uri narinevo arisali Rea'Nay pardo to mbona zobi Rea'Nay na zero afana na nizo do na Rea'Nay lozo no sketso ke cool so in comment abiko vaka mrabisto KFM abako ndoshika ka Venrap late night show hey awangwana ni mwezina lene asilanga marai langa ndielo lela wanwapo ka live video Rea'Nay naye nsengo mangala okay cool so not when you join kumbe remember ko toma uita the watch party the female guest yauto toma inera darko banayo kele ngwe comment mazet omunye so comment zithi zione na musi hapo so comment zithika ziposi kazi kateliwe darko zi shikisa batini ngoraro kezo mama sizla abakweri ndianepa aunori ndipiriwe ngazvitu kani comment dziko lengo shikangi ngori ka phone ndonozivona okay dziko lengo shika hangi ka system mar auna taize zidobva zote namsi comment rina Rea'Nay ndi mumwe wava wa dzi female wa dzi female dzine dza vhoneka music wa Tshivenḓa ngoralo rina vhathu vhanzhi badi kha nḓowetshumo inoni ya music nga maanḓa kha vhathu vha tshifumakadzini a ri soko ri rina vhanzhi ri nga si ri rina vhaṱuku ngori vha vhuya vha fhira vhavhili vha khou wela kha vhanzhi so rina vhathu vho nonga vho Endo rina vhathu vho nonga vho Zonaka rina vhathu vho nonga vho Rea'Nay rina vhathu vho nonga vho Queen Popo ndi vhanzhi ndi vha tshivhalo comment songo amba na musi dzoṱhe dza dzi khou bva fhasi hafho upfi TN u khou balelwa u nisa mvula rain ya u khou balelwa vha mudzhaji comment dzoṱhe na musi dza dzi khou bva kha dzivhe dzi khou mpunga Rea'Nay ndi ḓovha ndi naye hafha fhasi ndo ni vhudza system yanga ya ntendela u vhona vhathu vhoṱhe vha vha fhasi vha vha holoni vho to sala vha ḓisa kha vheiwe nṋe ndi khou thoma ndi ambe na vheiwe ndi khou ni fha vhududo nyana ri one a ri ḓo thoma ri dovhe nyana i treke ni pfuri Rea'Nay ndi muthuḓe kha vhathu vhoṱhe vhane a vha ḓivhi Rea'Nay a ri koni expect uri nothing ni muḓivhe mara a ri thome ri dovhe ri pfuri Rea'Nay ndi muthuḓe u ḓo ḓa dzhena kha vesi hafha noni o feature Fizzy ubva kha Toofab kari
Vatu banyi ndo wabona bayakupa Mungi yabo wote batonchantera One ngabafala badosbadera Garu pano ni msana Pano ni msana Nine kosi kuru Nani niruwe Hallelujah Pano ni msana Pano ni msana
The game they dared, put them in a place they scared. Pass them with opinions they shared. I can never be compared. Niggas better come prepared. Switching on the heat, goddamn. Royal blood in this industry. Drop it down respectfully. Killing niggas in the game. What a shame, Rea'Nay. I got the name with some flame. Bitches be sounding the same. Shooting bullets with no aim. I on the spot, I don't claim. I'm a go-getter, yeah, no better. Ain't no pressure, keep on getting greater. Ayy, look. See a wise girl got them limits, but a smart girl ain't got none. And the respect from my bars. Put the rules, yeah, I want the stars. Queening, winning, sipping, chilling, in it, with it, kill it.
Vatu banyi ndo wabona bayakupa Mungi yabo wote batonchantera One ngabafala badosbadera Garu pano ni msana Pano ni msana Nine kosi kuru Nani niruwe Hallelujah Pano ni msana Pano ni msana Nine kosi kuru Nani niruwe Hallelujah
Okay, cool. Rikoda kura nitangane zika tuti pari jeno zino rinaye Rea'Nay Toofab na musi ndoni zakasho otoshika ere munetri uri nanga ere ngoralo tuti zori mwimba kulufana Rea'Nay ka side yawe nga kungore pamwe kanji vachidhapa vango balufa akulufa
Yeah, and Horupa perfectly.
Okay, cool. That's it. Okay, cool. Rea'Nay ndikutangane zika mbekanya mchumi ya Venrap late night show na zero afara TN balwa nga transporto mara undirani uri udorigina rebukati komtanganedza.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, cool. Yeah, nikomupfekesa ave ari thank you mutunisdeze nitendera nayo. Okay, cool. So comment kezila wangu comment zote na musedani kuziposa ka screen kazide kazimpunge Rea'Nay ndongari karinyana kamera uri vatu vamuore zvaudi aonemwe wena ngaritelo ri igonyanya yeah okaka presence zo okaka presence mara comments das ko dar ko zibana tena no zo rina Rea'Nay Toofab rina ko you futsi ondo wabuya ngogidima. Okay, cool. Imwe comment yako baka Mr. Robsy original panda ikombe original panda yoshika ndi original panda imwe bako dekure zero fala kuzitesesa ndi zone ndi zero fala mwaba kuri di Pru Nemakonde aba kuri Nice Jam rikuri kuwa ndi bimbo lwa kumomani comment yabe kuveka producer wa Rea'Nay Big Robs aba kuri She's Mad Dope bayanamira beat aba makazi nizone uti inga comment kela ariko tsela pasi yabe kuri she flows so dope funkumbuza ngachipinga cha FWO which na watu wananga /oblique ndizone /oblique ni mwatu wene kaendo chumo oba ati dinanga manda ngaba kuda kama ikuva kama shudu ya kwa local is lekker sidobya nyana so hey show iko doto moni disera section inei rikodoni disera watu waburendi rikodoni disera watu waburendi ngoraro so ridobona zori doni disera bonelini Rea'Nay confirm season
and move.
Okay, cool, 100%, cool. I don't know Jininka Rea'Nay since ndo mtanganeza so mapongoni manje nera nambanga mara vatu vako todo divori Rea'Nay oyu onoso kovera chikarani udzula guys udzula guy uva a guy.
Well, Rea'Nay ni msona video Johannesburg and Ibandi Pakle Monty.
Okay.
I'm a student who studies most of the time it's Andy Joburg from studying.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So arachi dzula Joburg venda chivenda chadacha itsani so vangwa dodi busori Rea'Nay korepa ngachivenda ngachikuwa mara zvino apo kwa ngachivenda uruzwa Joburg yango mention anything to do with venda ukuitian I don't tauchedza apo ukuitian.
That's a venda ndio nenda baby waone ndiva Western.
Okay.
I spent most of my childhood there, but then my teen years ndo spenda ndi hapa noni Joburg. Ndingari from the age of 13. 12, 13 there. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, zvikufara kamari vatu vadomupfesesero why huko dominata chikuwa operisa chivenda. Okay, cool. Aona chaizo ati namereko kandira panda nikomera comment namsidzi mpunge dzote comment dzidova dzikubva screen yapo ndani kozivona zvavudi namsirisisara richiuploada ka YouTube dzidova dzione katomuita dzi watch party karishare niwa vuzori Rea'Nay rinaye namusi Rea'Nay namusi one dzina lawo ufinizwa one dzina lawo ufini
Narine ndi Narine.
Okay, cool. Okay, cool.
Actually, so, where
ndiapo ne Rea'Nay likubva one. So no guys of the Elizelo Rea'Nay. I know ruko mari likubva ka una Rine mara like achiko kono liwana like lo to mix siwa hani uri live li fi Rea'Nay ubva ka una Rine.
Before Rea'Nay ndachibidzo phi Queen V Vanilla. Well, kandiri ndiri vanilla only. And then I only changed it like last year ndichitangana na Fizi. So that's actually when I started taking my music seriously. Ndichitangana na Fizi okay, ndikolive lidzina lofi vanilla ne, but then I think we should change it. And I actually agreed with him. I felt like it was about time because my music is maturing, you know, so I needed like a proper name. And I went through like a whole scenario of names. But then I thought about my real name and I tried to change it up a bit. Then Rea'Nay
Okay, cool. At least roziferi dzina la Rea'Nay lovaga. Nisongwanga kwatwana kutaira zvine comment kadzimpunge dzote dzazikubva ka screen and then rido visa soso namserenga visi gwini namserido visa soso ka interview ingazidoso ka interview yararo redatori dzimwe mbodziso dzitori ni dzoreni ka video so ari nambero riko share rikuita dzi watch party riko mention na watu wenoko kuti wona hii show ido dipanga manda. Okay, cool. O mention zera chitangana na Fizi hoitiani after any chitangana na Fizi none ari tome ari taruchedzori before chitanga na Fizi akuitani achifi vanilla tidizwe ndi vanilla ya mini ndi ice cream kandi ya mini but it's fun. kuitani akadipfi vanilla.
Before him, I used to record Maranda Chizujasa Suzine, like it's just for fun, you know. I was named Vanilla because I'm a flavor. I was basically a flavor in every track. And then sina zinyimbo zanga nemune, you know. I was in a squad before that, and like the niggas there, they used to just feature me. I was like the missing flavor in every track, you know. But I just did it for fun. And then meeting Fizzy made me see Uri, I can actually go far with this thing because he saw talent in me that I was like honestly just playing around with.
Okay, cool.
So yeah.
Okay, I think so. Okay, ndizwa before Fizzy. So after achitanga na Fizzy yako amba zwere obona talent yawe kaene haiti yani na agree akazvifio kana dziterms dza uri vewe ni tomo shuma nothe dzova dzoima nga nḓila ḓe kana usikofi ene ndi kufuna talent ya ardo asiko the studio record kana oitiani conversation yove yani ado ritarishidza ri conversation yove yani.
Okay, it started on Instagram, Arindimu Arumeseka WhatsApp. I did exactly that, and I remember him asking me for some of the songs that I once did, and I didn't have songs of my own, so I just decided to like just rap Wusina, not you emo, like just record myself same time, Dichiko Repa on like some random bit. It's something that I wrote a long time ago and he really liked it. And what didn't send that I went like so yeah cash, yeah, but it which needed a verse and he was like to me, can you please write something to this? And that's exactly what I did. And he really liked it. He really liked it. I sent it to him within an hour and he really liked it. And he was like, the Pretoria, record. And yeah, that's how it started. That's how it started. So, then after that track, I'm yeah, Kojoina Toofab.
Okay, cool. Easy go around. Okay, cool. I'm not tired. Don't worry, commented the nonsense and then the guy. Ndoguma hey kenda ndo noiposa so mwa comment zote namsi zidaba zikubva ka screen ngoraro nozvifa zveri Rea'Nay Toofab love guy nozvifa zveri onitarishe zveri before achimita Fizzy akadepfi vanilla wait yani why akopfi vanilla naone Rea'Nay likobva guy naone ojoina Toofab nga ndirade comment ridwa ri kuziposa hanepo ka video so mwango tumoita dzi watch party so mwango share arali una watu vene vakutala vanosvika 41 zvombori ndichijena apa noni zvino ka live video ndiko towana una share dzinosvika 41 rikotombera ri zvisvike vatuni. Okay, cool. So ndisikunonga ari kaniro panda so ndina mbudziso ori ene orally asatu joina Toofab because Toofab obviously idineswa nga mandori ndi like itova like dzimwe dza dzi group like khulwane ya Venrap zvichidza kha muzika kana ndo shumera vakayo nga nge Venrap ova chidiva vatu vafio before achimita Fizzy kana achijoina Toofab ari amenga dzi female phase nga dzi female artists achidiva artists dzifio dza chifumakadzini kana dza dzi females.
So the females like the females zineza Venrap?
Yeah, dzava Venrap zineza kuita music wa hip hop, R&B, anything zineza affiliated na Venrap or anything.
When it comes to hip hop and Venrap, that's a divimuti, honestly. I didn't even know that there were like Venrap female rappers, you know?
Not to say rappers, maybe Vaimbi, whenever Kwimba Kazuku and all those things like Suzaso. So namti ask diva namti.
Dachi diva Marondoro Jininka, which is my mom, Jininka.
No. They go move. They go okay, let the color or almost something like the color. Ndikomba whenever affiliated na Venrap or not to whenever ko rapper, una vatu vanji whenever vaimba dzi huku kana dzi chorus whenever nguvazvaisa zvone. So asa divina mti kavo vatu.
No, ndatoma badiva after ndasa divina mti.
Okay. Ozori pano riamba ngope zingori aviari otoma badiva after nṋe ndi nga ḓa na iṅwe mbuso nda ri after ḓivha vhafhio. Okay, anyway, a mambe a nṱalutshedze. A mbudze vhe a vha ḓivha after a tshi ḓivha Fizzy.
Well, first and foremost, Zonaka Yabi. I think she's the first person I saw. Like, I remember the time Uchiridi Swamsanda, you know, I was looking through the comments and she commented and she was like, wow, she's very good. And then the one comment here, actually, yeah, you guys should work. You know, I didn't know that she's also part of it. And I went ahead and followed her. Yeah, and don't know when next thing, that's what the Bianca and Dichivapaka Zinyimbo MSK, you know, wo featuring who else? I think that's all.
Okay, cool. Ziamfara. I wish over ana earphones zvachi nyambedzano yachi ḓo tshimbila zwavhuḓi nga maanḓa. Ngori nṋe ndi ya ri ndi khou amba tshiṅwe tshifhinga nda vha ndi khou ḓipfa, but ahuna thaidzo. Okay, cool. A thoma ri dzhene kha dzi comments nyana ri vhone zwori vhathu vha khou ri mini. Ompha a vha khou ri Venrap late night show. I'm sure go to the show, but ahuna thaidzo. Okay, o ikhakhulula Keyo afho mo ḓi khakhulula Venrap late night show. Muṅwe Khoyu Prune Makonde a vha khou ri o nakelela lu tamba lini. Koyo, looking so beautiful. Rea'Nay elidzina ḽere mini abe bina tshifhefe kana cha bina tshifhefe ari Rea'Nay una voice yavhuḓi. Ndi nga ḓi ḓo tamba track yawe none zwino ri tshi fhedza hafha noni ine vha khou ri Venrap late night show i khou bva kha Neluheni ri ḓo vhona HMF. Iṅwe ya vha khou ri Maravisto i khou ri Pfarelo Lil Kid K Fam. At this very itani Lil Kid K Fam, but it's fine. Okay, cool. Rea'Nay ro no tamba musanda u khou ri ri nga vha tambela lufhio luṅwe kha dzi nyimbo edzinoni.
Let's go to Spend It All, yeah.
Okay, cool. Spend It All over feature Fizzy. Okay, cool. Spend It All. Kariru pose vhathuni uri zwi tshimbile nga mulalo. Okay, cool. Spend It All. Why ndi tshi nga tikuluwa na? Liko tamba.
Atirufi.
C5 music.
Ndoto spenda zaka yote flexing all around. Rio pamula jikwama na muse. Baru spend it all when you see me walk back. I'm in the mall. Ain't baru playing now. Money, we baru pop baru. Rio pamula jikwama na muse.
I heard finesse, money grows on trips. Lazy bitches, all they hear is Bengalese or Japanese. When I talk about that cheese, blowing bangs, I'm a finest money magnet. They say that you get what you give. This is why I just spend on my niggas. You bitches is worried about who? I'ma just cut it with divas. Spending the cash, it don't ball on a budget. Pocket is swollen, I might need a duffel. All the summer always told me on the trouble. Take care of biz like I take care of kids. Spend it a day, hit a legal again. Ballin' those bitches like I'm NBA. I've been working so hard I can spend every day. Cover the bank since I caught the bouquet. Married to money, to them it's a way. Louis Vuitton with some Gucci Mazishi. I blew like I'm Fuji, they begging to do me. Forget that I'm humble, I'm double the trouble.
Baru spend it all when you see me walk back. I'm in the mall. Baru ball. Ndoto spenda zaka yote flexing all around. Rio pamula jikwama na muse. Baru spend it all when you see me walk back. I'm in the mall. Ain't baru playing now. Money, we baru pop baru. Rio pamula zikwama namuse.
I work hard, so I play hard. Pick a card, they gon' give me cards. Bank cards never cleaned out, only stacked out, so I cash out. Ball out, fuck it, the bank never pull out. Check out the stunts that I pulled out. Look out, future is sold out, niggas sold out. I'm trapping the beast, it's worry about me. I caught up to niggas and letting them breathe. Give you a seizure, I'm a believer. Harder than dope bitches getting the fever. Give me the money, don't tell me about niggas. Shout out to bitches securing the bag. I'm busting on niggas, they don't gotta say. Check out the checks, don't you tell me about rands. You coughing up pennies. Tell me your language, you both understand. Talk about goals, talk about codes, talk about damn it, I'm willing to spend. I cope with that shit. They still don't get it, I'm owning my shit. Use every second, they know I'm the shit. I got your nose in my business again. Don't tell me about presses, I'm pressing the shit.
Battle spend it up when you see me walk back. I'm in the mall, battle ball. Ndoto spend zaka yote flexing all around. Rio pamula zikwama namuse. Battle spend it up when you see me walk back. I'm in the mall, ain't battle playing now. Money, we about pop battle. Rio pamula zikwama namuse. Battle spend it up when you see me walk back. I'm in the mall, battle ball. Ndoto spend zaka yote flexing all around. Rio pamula zikwama namuse. Battle spend it up when you see me walk back. I'm in the mall, ain't battle playing now. Money, we about pop battle. Rio pamula zikwama namuse.
Yeah. Norupfa re rukudia. Married so don't marry Rea'Nay time from Marai.
And go on.
Okay, cool.
And it's Mufa.
Okay, I'm not as okay, cool. So Jininka comment as comment kids la ndotomo ndobona imwe ntange ndo ndiwise ndibiyeleka rwimbo kutamba imwe iri asongofiwa Renzi uyagungula komwe rimwe muthu abuze booster arisenere voice note kana arifwenelo ri comment kuri mini nari ngo ifese okay ndikuri thamisa ukuyifesesa okay cool Morgan Van G Beats abakuri Rea'Nay Toofab AJ was abakuri dope track 808 ikemwe level and the level
Thank you.
Okay good Mishabi Eric Fox abakuri kana with double R hoyo got the well abakufona kalazi waburine sedzani dombo abakuri question yora pesa ikulekane tikonubonelwa zverangi maybe ndingazvitevera ka live ngafanda ndozvibala zvauti okay tina mangirasi mari arari iri mini okay cool so mbuso ikori ndinyi female artists around the world ine yamu inspire naone kadzi male artists dzene adzitechelesa uinspire nganyi kana mbuso ikori noni watechelesa dzi male rappers na and afa aku inspire ya ngadzo ndotozama zvi translate chivenda ri zvipfare the way.
Well, when it comes to the female rappers, yes, I'm very much inspired by Boiti. I really respect her hustle, and for the fact that she made it, she has achieved so much and achieved platinum, something that most rappers here in Zanzi haven't done. You know, I really respect her for that, and for the feminist that she is. You know, yeah, I really love her. She's my inspiration. She's also a businesswoman on top of that, which is something that I'm aiming at as well. So yeah, and then when it comes to the males, yeah, Techresa Drake, such a contradiction because I actually listen to a lot of R&B males, but then like when it comes to hip hop, Techresa Drake, yeah.
Okay, cool. Tendi Salma abakuri, keep it up. Ukoroka rwabutungu. Okay, cool. Netipepe abakuri okay, cool. Ri kati ṱoḓa khazo uri nyimbo dzawe dzi wanala gai ngoralo ngori ndi kho vhona na wise wanani rathanya ndi wise hoyu u khou ri nyimbo dzawe ri nga dzi wana gai ri khou ṱoḓa khaḽo heḽo fhungo iṅwe ya vha khou ri kha fhiwe livhanda rr hezwo zwi lo thoma zwi khou ḓa muṅwe ri kha fhiwe rr muṅwe ri a songo fhiwa remzi like okay ndi mbili dzine khou ri kha fhiwa rr muṅwe ri a songo fhiwa remzi a ri tsheḓo zwi ri hu khou iteani afha fhethu thi khou zwi pfhesesa mara gusta ri founelani ndi niwe na ri a songo fhiwa remzi u a gungula so ri founelani ri ṱalutshedze iṅwe comment ya vha khou ri music wawe u wanala gai okay nahone a ri namba ri dzhene khaḽo music wawe u khou wanala gai
Well, you can search me on Slick Our Life, Audio Mac, SoundCloud, also ka website yawe Zero. Yeah, I'm still working on the other ones. Yeah,
Okay.
the iTunes and Spotify and all of that.
Okay, cool. So arali ni khou ṱoḓa nyimbo dza Rea'Nay zwene ra khou ḓo ita zwone ndi khou mu menshena zwino kha heyi post ri khou amba ngo rali kha wall yawe ni nga wana mbili tharu otherwise ri khou ni fha chance namusi uri namusi u ḓo tenda u reply inbox lwo tou thoma so u ḓo ni sendela dzi link arali na thoma ngori luimbo lugai kana nyimbo dzi gai uri ḓo reply oro ntsendela nga fha message kha private uri a songe sina thoma ngori nyimbo dzi gai ndi afho ene a ḓo kona u replya dzi shares kha dzi gonye Rea'Nay u ita a tshi tamba ngo posa founu fhasi mara ahuna thaidzo ri tshe naye okay cool mbudziso okay cool hei mbudziso nda ndi khou ṱoḓa khayo mara ri nambe ri dzhene khayo so mbudziso yone i khou sumbedzisa uri i khou bva kha mulayo dzi khuliso i khou ri corona yone i khou mu affecta hani sa ramuzika kana sa musician i khou mu affecta nga nḓila ḓe
Well, it's actually limited my movement since Atina like studio equipment ayani. I was just used to traveling, to go and record my music. So I haven't really been able to do that. So I tried to record anything, But luckily I've recorded some projects back then which are still like a work in progress at the moment. That's why I was even able to release the recent song that I released in Amekjana Fizi, to projects that I recorded way before Corona.
Okay, cool. So songo share songo ita dzi watch party ri khou livha kha vhathu vho sheraho ri khou zwi livhuwa nga maanḓesa ndi vheo vhathu vhene na ita uri show heyi noni i hule ḓuvha na ḓuvha okay ori a khou amba nga dzi female artist murahu hangei nyanani a vha khou sumbedzisa uri miyawe ndi nnyi a ḓo ri ṱalutshedza tshiṱori tshori uri o tori mini fhala fhethu ri sathu xela
Well, Mianga ndi Jininka Nkanyane. I don't know if most of y'all know her. She's an Afro-pop artist. So yeah, the music comes from way back, the talent. Even though she's a singer, it runs in the blood, it runs in the family, let me say.
Okay, cool.
Of musicians.
Okay, cool. So if zwaralo so a tshi khou amba na mme awe uri okay there's all the ndi khou ṱoḓa ita zwa rap vhone ndi khou vha pfha vha khou ita dzi afro pop and all those things response yavho yo vheyani vho zwi dzhia nga nḓila ḓe ezwo
Just like any parents would say yeah mara tshikolo chi ranga phanḓa school can support the idea but she wants me to put school first, which is something that I am doing. She does admit I'm very talented.
Okay, cool. That's cool. So after ri nga si ḓo wana collab ene ya khou tou bva muṱani wange ndi after ri nga si wane collab ya me na ṅwana
Yeah, if that.
I ḓoḓa ngori I ḓoḓa kana yo no vhuya nga ya planiwa ya ḓi to feila kana u khou sokou nga ri ṱhamusi i nga ḓi ḓa a dzi fani a dzi phindulo
ndi khou sokou vhona u nga ri I ḓoḓa nga ḓa.
Okay, cool. I think zwi khou pfala. Okay, cool. So since ya kwamba nga zwori vho responda ngori tshikolo phanḓa songo ngo share vheiwe afho ndo ni vhona muṅwe songo share akho la na muṅwe songo share afho ndo mu vhona since ya kwamba ngori vho responda ngori tshikolo phanḓa a vha ngo amba zwori ngori o ralo ene a muthu wa tshifumakadzini kana a female like kha industry ni yo dominate nga vhathu vha tshinnani kana nga dzi male or dzi mates a vha na thaidzo nazwo na uri u ḓo fhedzisela tshi vho wana tshikanda marukhu hanengei tshiṅwe tsha sa ḓivhelekane vha sala zwithu zwo no sokou itisa zwiṅwevho.
No, not at all. We've had that talk before. We've had that talk before. Abana thaidzo, she knows that I'm very responsible. Plus baya themba bathu banenda banabo. She knows that I'm in the right hands. Bathu bononga bo fizi. Baya badiba, you know. She knows from way back. So yeah, but comfortable with the idea.
Okay, cool. So it's fine. So uri embuso ina bu juicy ina bu gwinde nga ngomu. So I hope you already know answer. Vhathu songo mlaya afho fhasi kha dzi comments. Ndi tshi fhedza u vhudzisa khombolo vha ndi kuwana dzi comments uri khere ndi songo vhudzisana khere ndi songo vhudzisana kana ke ndo ita ndo i vhudzisa. So akwamba ngauri like vho fizini vhathu vho no thembea na mini so anga consider na uri ene a wane boyfriend kana partner ine yavha kha music industry kana kha ine entertainment industry zwavhuḓi arali entertainment industry ngoralo anga vha comfortable no wana your partner kana boyfriend na
you know, your heart doesn't choose who to love, honestly. You know, I'd never date anybody in the industry because of this and that and this. But at the end of the day, I never got in the you know, everybody's human. You don't choose who you fall in love with. So I think that has nothing to do with my music. That's like my personal life, you know.
Okay, cool. Okay, cool. So somebody arali ndiko sokona comment yo pesela ke ikubva kha Morgan Van G Beats. Somebody arali Morgan Van G Beats adapo sa lavusiwa na maybe mbili nga dire mbili yana aringo ri apindulezo mara Morgan Van G Beats no ipfa pindulo uri mbilu itoda zwine ya toda. So I will not be mini. Okay, I said the comments. The comments ziko da kha rofwa mchocho Rea'Nay songota mango with a phone. Iko ri pa single connector sound yo leads the effects. Inwe iko da kha Morgan Van G Beats. Iko ri 0 uko tomolisa timu 5 points gone. 0 niko lisa timu. Mamba Swislava Gori chikanda marukundi nyina 0. Okay. Zibengwa bakori good question and good answer. Okay. Eda ancho guru gusta bakori yango mbudziso ndiya uri una muthu na ndiamba wagwa kwana. Asini ndo busa ndasa ngodo budzisa. Asini ndi gusta.
That's actually a very personal question, though.
Yeah, that's why. So, no ni show it over your wishes of personal and as music. So, regarding warom tanganeza ke no ni show your wishes of personal na music. So, mbuso keyo anazona gaita zoni. Nenda netingo to murumero muna nenda dosukolindela pindura.
Yes, one mus. Mara asikwamba zvorindini.
Well, that's it. Gusta zobala arali gusta nova era zvimwe zvituwo arivone T squared chigero uri Toofab ni management kana ndi recording label Rea'Nay na he mbudziso i strong nga maanḓa ke mbudziso
Yeah.
Toofab kene u tovha management kana i tovha recording label kene na
No, it's not a record label, and I can't necessarily say management. Toofab is just a family of independent artists that support each other. Same way Fizzy supports me, same way I support him. Same way Vicious supports me, I support him. We just push each other. Yeah, mara mwena mwe independent.
Okay, cool. So magenge a khou ri ndo lisa team mara uri a khou ṱoḓa u pfha mbudziso dza so na dziphindulo dza so. Magenge ndo ni winisa hafhaḽa fhethu. Muṅwe muthu kha vhudze magenge ri ndo a winisa ndo zama uri ri wane dziṅwe dziphindulo dzavhuḓi. Okay, cool. Iṅwe comment yavho i khou ḓa i khou ri 0 ni ḓo ri winisa khezwo ndo ni vhudza 0 ni ḓo ri winisa khezwo. Iṅwe i khou bva kha Zwivhuya heḽia dzina ḽa nga phanḓa ndi khou balelwa u ḽi vhala tiene ri khou ḓo vha naye zwino heiḽa comment i khou ri she must have tshikanda maruku ya unatsho o fhindula uri una tshikanda maruku uri a nga si ambe dzina ḽatsho ndi tshi fhedza u vhala comment tiene u ḓo vha khou ri dzhoina o swika a tou vha ri o ḓa nga dza thavha owi Jason uri ho iteani hey okay veiwe vena khou vhona live no zwi vhona zwo ri ho iteani ndi tshi ri o Jason but alo ri nga dzene khalo ro fhiwa mutshotsho uri u tea u pfhesesa uri marukhu a magonani ndi zwone zwikete nazwo a zwi ngo ganyiwa Fizo Boy a vha khou ri music wawe ri nga wana gai zwo no ambiwa kha ye live ndo mu mention niye kha wole yawe na thoma ngori ri khombela music kha inbox u ḓo ni sendela link